So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. Once this loads up, you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. It's going to be showing you all of the disk drives on your computer. I've only got one, you're probably going to have more than me. You want to find out what's the disk number of the disk drive that you're getting the problem with. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. So again, you want to find the disk number of the disk that you're having a problem with when it comes to partitions. For me, I've only got disk 0, so I'm going to remember disk 0. For you, find out which disk is which by the size. Next, you want to type in exit and then click on enter. Now, you want to type in mbr2gpt space / validate space / disk : and now the disk number that you found out earlier, for me it's going to be 0 space / allow full OS and then click on enter. For me it failed because I'm doing it on my Windows drive. I've only got one drive, but in your case it should be working. Now you want to type in mbr2gpt space / convert space / disk : and then that same disk number space / allow full OS and then click on enter. Again, for me it didn't work, but for you it should. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.